Woo, baby. It's 4 a.m. here in Hawaii, and well, the market is open. And guess what? We are green, green, green. Hitting our target for the day. Not that I like to have a target, but just the other day I was out surfing and I was having a moment with myself, and I told myself, like, Patrick, you know, if you could just hit this one little target, if you could hit this target every day, well, then we could just retire and we could just, you know, keep doing what we're doing every day, basically. Go surfing, have fun, and live the dream. And well, that's what we're doing today. We're going to lock down the profit. We're going to walk away. I'm actually going to go back to bed now. I'm pretty excited. Made my goal here in the first 30 minutes. I'm going to show you guys a really good setup as well on the 5-minute chart that lined up perfectly with the 15-minute chart. And I'm going to show you the setup and all that fun stuff. We are green, green, green. 3 trades today. Nothing but green. Nothing but net, baby. Nothing but net. Let's get into it right here, right now. All right. It is currently 3:30 a.m. Well, about to be 3:30 a.m. here in Hawaii, and we're getting the day started. It's Thursday, and the market's booming back this morning. You see at 5 a.m. dropping down there to the 85s, and then just ripping people's face off all the way back up here to the 120s. So right now, waiting to see what happens out of the open, out of the gate here. Do we go to the moon? That's the million-dollar question, my friends. That 123 area is the high from just the other day on the daily chart. So 123 is going to be a little bit of resistance there, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We got about 13 seconds. I'm going to jump in long and see if this can't squeeze up there. Might get stopped out, but we'll see what happens here. Get a push up there to the 123s or higher. 123, looking for 123 or higher here. Taking a little bit of profit up there as we push to 123 or higher, just like we are looking for. That's what I'm liking to see. That's what I'm liking. 124s. Very nice, very nice. We got one contract left. We're going to lock down $100 in profit to start off the video strong, my friends. Let's go, 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 let's go. All right, that's good. That's what we needed right there. Just a little nice and easy, Patrick. Nice and easy. Just start the day strong. Already squeezing up to 125, so I could have held that one a lot longer. Oh my, it's 126 now. Video is sponsored by Collective 2. If you want to learn more about Collective 2 and the idea of not picking the best stock, but picking the best investor, check out collective2.com. You just select your strategy on Collective 2. You connect your brokerage account, and then you watch as the trades happen. But don't worry, at any moment, you can turn it off, and also the money stays in your brokerage account at all times. So you're not transferring money to some shady guy on Instagram. You're actually just opening up your brokerage account and then clicking on strategies and auto trading. And, well, check it out. It's collective2.com. I'm going to take a small short up here at the 130 area, looking a little top heavy at this point. We've just been going straight to the moon. I know I said I wasn't going to do this, but everything's kind of lining up here on the smaller time frames for a pullback. So we're going to take a little bit of profit here and look to see if we can't get a little bit lower down in the 127s. Locking down some more profit here. We got one contract left. We're in the 126s now. That worked out perfectly. Got about a 3-handle, 4-handle move from the top there at that 130 area. And I'll show you kind of why I'm saying that. You can see here on the 5-minute chart on the SPY how far overextended this is getting, but also the idea that this is running into that 413, that whole dollar resistance. Now, I was expecting a type of pullback, not a huge pullback, but a pullback. So you can see the wick now. We had that big wick on the top of this candle, so I was expecting some more wick here, and then that pullback, and that's what we got. So we're locking down profit. We're making some money. We're having a good day so far. Let's keep this party going. Let's stay focused, Patrick. Hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, please do me a big favor. Hit that subscribe button, the like button, and also check out the link down below if you want to learn more about brokers and all that fun stuff. There's a link down in the comments below. So looking to see what happens out of this 15-minute candle here if we're going to push above this 131 area. Right now, watching the SPY on the 5-minute chart there. See if this pushes above the high so far, 130.75. Looks like we're going to get it. We'll go for the 3-handle. to the downside. See if it's a push up to the 413s on the SPY. Taking a little bit of profit. I think we're just, I know I keep saying this, things don't get overextended, but I'm just going to lock some profit down here. I don't want to give back any profit today. I said just the other day, I told myself, I was like, man, if I could just make $200 every day, well, that would be a great day for me, or a great week, a great trading for me. So there's it is, up to the 33. So breaking right, look at that, right through that 413 there. Just squeezing straight through right now. I could have held, but like I said, just you can see on the 5-minute chart here on the SPY, we've went from 411 to 413.20. It's still going. I mean, like I said, when something looks overextended, sometimes it's tricky. You know, it's tricky like that. But we're gonna just, I think, lock it down. Maybe we'll give it a little bit of time, but I wanna wait for like a really good setup that I feel good about holding through. So we're gonna just kind of sit back here and wait and watch and see if we get that setup. If we don't get a good setup again, we'll just keep that profit that we got. All right, so the SPY is setting up on the 5-minute chart here, looking really good on the 5-minute chart as a bull flag for a breakout. So kind of watch and see what happens here with this 15-minute candle. Can we continue to push higher, possibly up there to the 414 area on the SPY, and then continue higher, obviously, for the S&P. So we're kind of watching the 5-minute chart right now, see if we can push through that top of that bull flag here. Looking like she wants to go. Giving it a second here. So squeezing up now, trying to push through that bull flag there. It's still bullish, so we're going to hold it a little bit longer, move our stop here. Give this a little bit of time to squeeze up there again. Holds that 413 area on the SPY here. I'm going to add a little bit there as well. We'll see if this can't squeeze up through there right now. Beautiful. Looking for 38s or higher here. 38s or higher. Getting 37. Let's see if we get 37.50 there. Lock down some profit here. Looking for 38s to come up here. 37.75 pushing through up there right now. 38s coming. 38s pushing now. That's 4 handles. Beautiful. 38.25 highs so far. We'll give this one a little bit more room to run here. And look and see if we can't lock it down up here. 38s or higher. 38. We'll take 38. Like I said earlier, $200 a day, baby. Keeps the doctor away. We are there. We did it. I'm going back to bed. Okay? I mean, I kind of want to keep trading because I feel like I'm kind of in the market's really giving us a lot of opportunity right now. But look at it now. Up there to 38.50, 39s. It's going all the way. So I'll show you here on the 5-minute chart why that 15-minute setup was so good right there. You can see up there to 413 here, we've got like this very, very clear to see kind of that bull flag there. Push up there above 413, turn that 413 area into support. Again, touching there. This is, like I said, for these videos, this applies to stocks, this applies to Forex, this applies to everything that you could trade. If it's got candlesticks, well, this is the same exact idea for all of it. We've got this 5-minute setup, we've got the bull flag forming, we've got this consolidation, that 413 area turning into support, and then we enter the breakout of this bull flag to the upside there, and you can see now continuing to move higher from there. So there's a good chance that this pushes up there to the 414 area. But for me personally, like I said earlier, $200 a day, that's like, it's all not that it's all I need. If I can make $200 a day, that's totally a very, very, very good living for me, combined with everything else that I do. So the trading, if I can make $200 a day, that's totally fine. Totally fine. And I could be okay with that. I've made over $200. So, hey, there it is. That's the breakout we were looking for, that 5-minute chart, looking at the SPY there, and then also looking at the 15-minute chart. You can see once we broke out there, guess what happened? Boom. We made that nice move up there all the way, wow, to a high of almost 140. So I would say we left a lot of, this first trade of the day I wasn't too happy with. Getting in there, and you can see I took profit way too early on that first trade of the day. But, You know, we're in the green. It's always the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda, the houlda, the hotta, the puda. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. I'm going to finish the video up, and I'm going to go back to bed. It's literally 4 o'clock in the morning. I've been awake for 30 minutes. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's go.